Welcome back to the Top Collectors channel for another video. Today's video, we will be doing a mini GT haul of different Lamborghini Huracans. Let's kick this off. Before we start this off today, I did do another mini GT video of Lamborghini Huracans. I'm going to put a link right there. You can go ahead and go look at it if you haven't already. Go. Let's start this off today. We've got a Lamborghini Huracan Evo Rosso Mars. So this is a Miho exclusive. Very nice model. We unboxed the orange one previously, Lamborghini. As always, like I say guys, I take the liberty of cutting this beforehand just because of the time consumption and the danger of the blades slipping or sliding, and just stay safe over here. Chuck that to the side. Let's put this down for a second. Let's have a look at the packaging. So you got this nice little detailed box that Mini GT does get with most of their cars. It's a nice little touch. You get to store these in there if you want. Sometimes even put the plastic insert as well so the car doesn't move in there, which is also a nice touch. Those are the ones individually wrapped. The ones like this, unfortunately, the only insert that you get is these plastic inserts. So that does leave some wiggle room for the car to move inside. This is car 115. We've got the Lamborghini branding on this side. Mini GT, always a scale of 1/64. We've got the Lamborghini Bold trademark and copyright. Typically over here, they would have the authentication, but it was on the actual packaging itself on the back side. Down. Let's have a look at the car itself. Lamborghini. Their cars are superb, amazingly detailed. Let's go through this really quickly. We got plastic headlights with a little painted tampo on the inside. We got a nice detailed Lamborghini racing bull. And something that they also give are these nice little rubber side mirrors, which not too many manufacturers actually include in their models or in their, let's say, their castings, which is a super nice touch. You got some little details over here. The wheels, very nice. I love the choice of the wheels for this model. A very nice, fairly detailed engine bay. You got the nice little grills on the side over here mimicking the same effect. You got the Huracan EVO right there. You got the tailpipes painted. You got the Lamborghini branding, plastic taillights, nice little colored diffuser to match the car. Overall, super model. Next up, we got the LBWK version of this car. So we got the V1 and the V2. I will be receiving the Magic Green models soon. I can't wait to unbox those. This is one of 2400. We're going to chuck this insert to the side. Let's have a look at the box real quickly. Very nice. Actually, the print is not that high detailed compared to the rest of the box, but no biggie. Lamborghini, I was hoping they were going to put the LBWK like they did for the Nissan in my other video, the GTR, but they opted not to. And then the same thing over here, branding 1/64th as always. Just by the looks of it. Liberty Walk right there. We got some different manufacturers, sponsors. Imagine all the people living life in peace. That's phenomenal. LB Performance right up there. Plastic headlights with a little like tampo insert to mimic the lights. Beautiful red racing stripes, very nicely painted. Lamborghini branding right there. Nice plastic diffusers, so the body's all metal, everything else is plastic. Very nice wheel choice. I love it, absolutely love it. Again, nice touch of the little rubber silicone side mirrors. You got this carbon fiber-esque effect for the rear wing. Again, some more LB Walk. Let's try zooming in a bit there. There you go. Let's focus. LB Performance, Liberty Walk right there. Again, some more branding and these nice blue forged tailpipes with a nice, beautiful diffuser just to make this even more fantastic in general. Well done. And finally, the V2 version is the same exact casting as this one that we just saw. Slight little differences. We're going to show you what they are. This is equally limited to 2,400. Actually, before I crack this open, just to show you guys, there is the official trademark of licensing product. It's just on the packaging, like I had mentioned earlier. Just wanted to make sure you guys saw that. I like that they match the backgrounds with the car. Let's look at the car box very quickly. This car 149, LB Works Huracan green. Same usual stuff. Lamborghini. Let's put this here. Let's take the insert. Let's jam it to the side. Metallic flake, very similar body, black wheels, obviously the same. Imagine all the people living life in peace. The same trademarks over here, branding, Liberty Walk, Liberty Walk. The little subtle differences I did notice was this full plexi or full plastic engine bay cover. compared to the painted one over here that just had just the center, and then we had part of the plastic insert for this. And then the rear wing here, you actually had a wing that came out, and this is actually just like a lip on the back side. But if not, the body kit, everything is the same for this. Let's take time to appreciate that. Still that carbon fiber-esque little lip. Very nice. I like it. I like both of them. Of the two, I'd probably have to say I like just this one better, just because it sticks to more the Lamborghini look, which would be this one, your red one over here, your typical Lamborghini Huracan. This would be more of a track version of the Lamborghini Huracan, but in general, the same. Great look. Again, they even painted the side as opposed to just being a dull green. It's the same paint as the car itself. Very, very nice. These are all little tiny subtle details, but they make all the difference. And that wraps this video for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, feel free and subscribe. Click that bell to get notified as soon as we drop new content. Don't forget to equally like and share this video. Comment down below. Let us know which one was your favorite. Did you like the regular Huracan, Rosso Mars, and of the two LBWK models, did you like the V1, V2? Let us know what you guys think. Never stop collecting. Fuel that passion. Let it burn. Let it run wild. I'm Adrian, and we'll see you all in the next one.